Hey guys, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year! If you wanna see how I turn this into this, continue watching. These ornaments are more than 30 years old and this is crazy. First I clean them with rubbing alcohol and then I begin to paint this cute doll. While the paint is still drying, I want to open these cute glitters that I bought recently. I'm going to use them a lot in this video. For this ball decoration, I decided to do vertical lines made from glitter. And I'm going to put them on acrylic varnish. I already did it few times before and it sticks perfectly. After I put on glitters, varnish need at least 20 minutes to get dry, and then I can cover it with one more layer and put more glitters if needed. And while I'm waiting, I want to finish painting face for this cutie. About this toy, it looks very weird. I even don't know what is it. Is it a pine cane or cucumber? Can you help me with that, guys? What do you think? Because of that, I didn't know what to do with it, so I decided to cover it with golden paint. Golden paint always looks cute on Christmas ornaments. I totally love the shape of this toy and the glass is so old it became yellow. I've had hard times with figuring out what I should do with it, and I decided to give it a tiny golden flowers. Also, I added some white spots with acrylic contour and some black leaves with acrylic paint. This toy is my favorite one. I decided to try and give it a galaxy night sky look, something like that. I really love such technique when you're adding some spots of paint on the toy and then you're using a sponge to blend everything. It always looks so cute and I love that texture. It took about 10 minutes for paint to get totally dry, and after it I added some stars and tiny dots with light silver acrylic contour. It looks white but it has such micro glitters in it. But they're not very sparkly. And now it's time to add some glitters to this cutie. I don't have a lot of different acrylic tools because I was afraid to work with it for a long time. I don't know why, it's really fun to work with it. Adding more golden glitters to spots that I don't like, that looks a bit empty. It's really fun, but after I work with glitters, they are literally everywhere. On the floor, on the table, in my food, on my face, this is crazy. I don't know how it's happening every time. After this ornament was totally dry, I decided to cover it with a glossy acrylic varnish to make it more shiny. And I really love how it came out. And what do you think, guys? Is it cute or not? This cutie turned out not as sparkly as I wanted, so I decided to add one layer of acrylic varnish and add more glitters on it. Some finished touches for this guy. I still don't know who is it, but he looks so weird. Look what I found! Awesome red feathers, and I want to put them inside. Here's how the magic look. Ta-da! Perfect now. Finally, I am done with it. Here's how my toys came out. The process of coloring few of them I didn't show in this video, but you can see them in the box. So thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching me coloring these cuties and I hope you like how they came out. If you want to see more art videos from me, please leave a thumbs up and some comments below. I love all of you. See you next time. Bye bye.